I discovered? Treasure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Buttonhole machine. This little machine. This is called like a freehand stitching, right?
Yeah, freehand embroidery.
This is incredible.
Head over here, and I don't even have to touch the,
Yeah, right?
so see. So I'm gonna do it loop lettering so that I can show you fill.
Okay.
C, all right?
C, A.
And I'm gonna go.
You also have to be artist to do this. Or you can do it, you can trace this, and then follow the tracing. That's possible too, right?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect.
C-A-R-O. Okay.
That part.
I got it.
Yeah. I will show it to Carol. She'll be so happy. She's very creative, though. Wow, it's so beautiful. Yeah.
Is if you come in here and you can actually come in and overlap and fill body or shading or pattern depth. And this is more of like the patch making type stuff.
Yeah.
So I'm going to do it kind of rough. I'm not going to fully fill.
I love doing appliques. You can make an applique with this patch to
Oh yeah. Okay.
Designs.
And I'm just doing it loose. I'm not doing a full fill.
Yeah. So cool. Now it's like some sort of cool writing.
And then if you wanted to, you can follow this line back in. And a lot of times when you're doing fill work, like long fill work, like this, and it'll be straight lines, it'll create a different type of shading in there.
See, you don't even have to help with your hand now when you do fill. You just know which way to go.
Yeah, because it's steering.
Look at this. We didn't finish. We can finish the whole thing, but this is how it's done. Perfect, right? It's all done by single 114W, right?
That is correct.
Caro.